Hey y'all, McCloud here. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel again and again. Today I am going to be creating a green eyeshadow look in honor of St. Patrick's Day. So I am going to be using my Morphe 35M Boss Moon palette. I will link the video right here where I reviewed this palette, but I only did an eyeshadow look with the purple shades in this palette. I didn't even get to touch these green shades. Well, I got to touch them, I got to swatch them, but I didn't get to play with the green shades very much, so today I just figured that would be fun. I have about 15 minutes on the clock. We're gonna see if I can do it. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell. Let's do this. Getting up close and personal. I already have the rest of my face done. I'm just gonna be doing the eye look. So, I'm a little nervous. So I figured I would do like more of a talk through tutorial today rather than like a silent chill one, because I posted a few of those like back in December and January and those didn't do so well. So let me know if this sort of thing works better for you, or if you're just like, shut up and show me the makeup already. I've been seeing a lot of people on Instagram put on their darkest shade first and then blend to the lightest shade. So I wanted to see if that worked better for me today. I don't know. So I'm going to be going in with this shade right here, Green with Envy, on just an angled eyeliner brush. And I'm just going to like pack that right there on the outer corner. I'm also probably going to switch between this brush and my smudgy brush. So I will kind of speed up that process now. So far, I'm not sure if I like this method, but I'm gonna trust the process. We're gonna get there, and I'm just gonna worry about blending at the end. I'm gonna like blend all the edges out. So now I am taking my fluffy oval brush, and I'm going to the next brightest shade, which is this one, Nude Tude. This feels so raw. I'm not sure if I want to go with like a more lime green type look or like a more like Tinkerbell. Who am I kidding? I want to go Tinkerbell green. Let's do this one. Although that one may be more lime. I don't know. That was the shade Express Yourself. Okay, so I'm not like loving the effect that one's giving. I feel like I need a little bit more brightness right now. So I am going to, instead of Express Yourself, I'm going to go in with Hello Sunshine. Also, I should not have set down my eye primer before this because I feel like if it wasn't set, it would help it grip a little bit more. These aren't gripping quite as well as I would like, but we're still doing good. Now I'm going to take the shade Stroke of Luck right here, and I'm going to blend the edges. This is a good method, I feel like, for like a really dramatic look, but right now I'm about to go to work. I really hope they're not gonna tell me like, hey, go wipe that off, because I feel like it's looking quite muddy in here, and also I can see like 3 stripes of color, so I'm gonna go ahead and start blending right now with just a clean blending brush. I'm actually going to use a little bit more of that Green with Envy shade, that first really dark shade that we used. And I'm just going to flick it outwards a little bit. And I'm also going to drag that a little bit under the eye. Yeah, I wanted this to be a lot more subtle than it is. I'm just kind of moving up through the shades. So right now, I just used Green with Envy on an angled liner brush. Now I've got my smudger brush and I'm using Nude Tude, that second shade that we used. Okay, blending here. I just feel like it's getting kind of muddy looking, and that shouldn't be happening, not with these like bright greens. You know, and thinking about it, the tutorial that I watched last night on Instagram, her eyeshadow looked all patchy and muddy too, but because it was vibrant, everybody gave it likes and ColourPop reposted it. I'm taking my blending brush with that darkest shade, Green with Envy, and I'm just patting it on the outer corner a little bit more. This is not safe for work. Why? So I'm going to take Stroke of Luck on my little oval fluffy brush, and I'm just going to try to get it to like be like a neon halo for the rest of this look. That's a little better. Okay, I think we need some shimmers already. I am going to use the shade Stand Out. This is kind of a dark, like khaki green. And I'm going to plop it right here on the outer part, right over where I put Nude Tude. And then I am going to take Electric Energy here, also kind of a khaki green. And I'm going to put it right over where I put Hello Sunshine. And then I'm going to take Pop Star right here, this kind of yellowy green, and I'm going to put that right there, kind of on the inner corner area. Once you get shimmers on, I swear, it's like everything changes. I'm going to take my finger with Pop Star, and I'm going to press that right there, just moving it in to about the 1/3 point. So that's kind of giving me a little bit of freshness that I was craving. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, I'm liking these greens a little bit more now. And then I'm going to take Light of the Party, this champagne shade right here, and I'm going to fling that on my inner corner. Also, I just realized this palette has a ton of fallout. I just remembered that. Yeah, this is not fun. I'm actually going to take a little bit of my Ofra highlighter in Star Island, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner instead because it's a little bit brighter and more, you know, more icy. And I really need that pop right now. There we go, finally. Once it mixed with my tears, yikers. And I just realized I have exactly like 4 minutes to create this on the other side. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so this is my slap together St. Patrick's Day eyeshadow tutorial. I definitely don't like that method for doing makeup, for doing eyeshadow. I think that it turns out really patchy. However, if you just don't really care about that and you just want to slap something on that looks impressive, maybe that would work for you. Anyway, this was just a short and sweet tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed and that you join me again for my next video. Leave a like, leave a subscribe, and I'll see you later. Okay, bye!